Hi guys, it's Jacob here, and today we are building and unboxing a very special Lego set. As a mineral collector, I had to get this one. It combines two things I love: fine minerals and a satisfying precision of Lego design. And we will learn something about each mineral in this set.
Got the back on the table. Yeah. Snapping play the cable. Little set unstable. Turn my room to a label. Let's go. Lego mineral set, I stack, I flex. Piece by piece, I build my checks. Rock by rock, I don't trip, I step. Click so clean like a chain on neck. Lego mineral set, that grind, that grit. Tiny tool, but the print so big. Hands on work, I design my drip. Brick by brick till the whole thing lit. Brick by brick. Open that box, got gems, got stones. Spread them all out like a stash I own. Chart on the side, it's the map that code. Follow them steps, then I have my glow. Quartz on the base, that frame look tight. Dark little shards in the day like night. Mix that mount with a little gold stripe.
What I enjoy the most so far is this. And this is the first one ready. It's Pyrite, and this is how it looks like in the real life. People call it fool's gold because it looks like gold, but it's not, obviously. But not many people know it can actually contain some small trace amount of gold inside.
Yeah. Watermelon, tourmaline, split tone drip. Garden in the life, got a rush. Watermelon, tourmaline, color in the cut. Green on the outside, pink in my gut. Where what I went through, shine where it hurts. Stone got a sunset.
Another one is ready, this time Tourmaline. This is how it looks like in the real life. And tourmalines have one special feature, which is called pleochroism. It's basically, it changes color depending on angle you view it from.
Halfway polished, halfway raw. Same old fear with a brand new jaw. Light hit once, then it hit again. Flash like a moment I can never get back. Set it in silver, set it in gold. Carry that color when the nights got cold. Watermelon, tourmaline, color in the cut. Green on the outside, pink in my gut. Where what I went through, shine where it hurts. Stone got a sunset. Trapped in the dirt, watermelon, tourmaline.
Stars in the light, gems in the deep, stands in the deep.
Got that ice on my palm, but it ain't what you think. Blue stone in the light. Watch it shift when it blinks. Yeah. Blue Fluorite in the Zen facts. Desk lamp on it go aqua. Deep bruise blue, then it pop up. Hold it to the window, it's softer. Calm in the chaos, shock absorber. Used to keep raging a wristwatch, tick-tock, tight jaw, had a sick plot.
Another day, another mineral completed. This time it's Fluorite, and this is how it looks in the real life. You can have many colors, and normally you need a bit of backlight to show them. Fluorites can glow under UV light, but not many people know that some of them can actually emit light when heated. That's a property of chlorophyll, which is special rare variety of fluorite, and that's how the mineral looks like.
Steady fire in a hard heart. Orange tangerine quartz. You light me up from the inside. Catch every crack in my core. Turn it to color. I could feel this. Pocket charm on a rough day. some trace all of your edges. All the noise starts to melt away.
I've just finished another one. This time it's a Tangerine Quartz, and I don't have this one in my collection, so I can't show you how it looks in reality. But what's interesting about this mineral is how it gets its color. It comes from iron, but the interesting part here is that it's not inside. It's normally just a thin coating on the surface of the mineral, and the mineral is completely clear or milky inside. And that's how you can distinguish it from citrine, which has the color inside. Looks like citrine to me.
I'm not alone when I'm shaking.
Yeah, pink stone in my palm. Look soft, came hard from the fault line. Striped like a barcode, earth made a rare code. Every little band say all mine. Auction house whispering my alias. Mine, I had a hike with a head thin. Pulled from a crack in a cold red cliff. Now it's sitting my...
Another day, another one finished. This time Rhodochrosite, my favorite one. This is how it looks like in reality. And I have quite a few of them. Look at this, these are fine examples from Africa. But the one here, it's a typical example of appearance from Sweet Home Mine, Colorado. And the largest crystal found there measures 14 to 16.5 centimeters, just the crystal itself. It's called the Alma King, and it's displayed in Denver Museum.
Purple stone in my palm. Heart feel calm.
And the last one is finished. It took me like 3 evenings to build all of them. This is Amethyst, and this is how it looks in reality. This is like a geode, which is like a cavity in a rock with many small crystals inside. This is one large crystal from Nigeria. And what's interesting about amethyst is that it used to be considered a gemstone, like diamonds or rubies, but not anymore, since large deposits of this mineral have been discovered in Brazil. So now it's only considered semi-precious.
Rock on a chain from a rock up blast. Purple amethyst, I don't ever miss. Turn my every scar to a little wish. Hold it to the sky, see the painted clips.
But we are not finished, guys. Look what I have. That's a light kit.
Snap, snap, clicking in the backpack. Yeah, little blocks in a black bag. Turn the whole lab to a light show. I was broke with a floor full of dust. Now the studs in my hand look plush. Tiny squares, each one like a nugget. Hit the UV whole table, start buzzing. Stack 2, 3, 4, now they tower. Plastic rocks in the cosmic power. On the shelf in the dark, they gleam. Every brick in a pile like a dream. Blowing Lego minerals, lined in a row. Little plastic crystals from the block stack glow. Turn the lights off, watch the treasure show. Blowing Lego minerals, right in my palm. Pocket full of color.
There are quite a few brands which makes these lights, but I choose this Light My Bricks, which is a little bit more expensive. It cost me around 60 euros, but according to reviews, it should be the best quality.
Dig deep, pull a red brick insane. Put a clear plate under that stash. Sudden sunrise on my desk, big flash. Blowing Lego minerals, lined in a row. Little plastic crystals, but they shine like gold. Build my castle from the blocks that glow. Turn the lights off, watch the treasure show. Glowing Lego minerals right in my palm.
And now it looks like a real showcase with the lights installed. I just need to deal with the cables.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Ayo, Tank. Bass full of knots, every wire in the fight for space. Trip on the floor like a boogie track. Whole room look like a hallway at grave. Pull one cord, bitch screamers die. Don't even know what's a lie. Label that route, that color, that line. Turn the jungle toe straight skyline. Tidy up that cable, stack it, wrap it. No more mess on the table, make it classic. From the wall to the rig, keep it stable. Talk neat, walk neat.
And now this is much better. All cables hidden and bus is connected. What I like on this light set is that you don't need any batteries. You just plug it into socket. Look at this.
Counting cracks like scars on a map. Every later I was saving, turn the weight I wore on my back. But that whisper kept on pushing. Stand up, you're not done yet. So I laced up every failure, walked them out of my regret. Yeah, I rise. Even with my shaking hands. Small steps, high sky. I'm building bridges where I stand. Every scar in my story turns the dark into